Welcome to Dee's Plantation in Grand Bay, Alabama. My featured home of the day is 5727 Orchard Lane West. This is one of the Mila floor plans. This home features 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths. It's almost 3,000 square feet. Come on in, let me show you around. One of my favorite features of this home are the beautiful double tray ceilings in the living area as well as the primary suite. And I just adore the screened in back porch, and you have a nice sized backyard. This home features the Jack and Jill here with a bedroom on one side, a bathroom in the middle, and a walk-through bedroom on the other side. Your shower and tub and water closet is closed off with a door so someone can be doing their makeup or brushing their teeth while someone else is showering. Limited time, D.R. Horton is offering interest rates as low as 4.99. And don't forget, they pay up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing cost. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I got you covered. I list and sell properties in Mobile and Baldwin County. Give me a call. Let me show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.